This is DJI Spark drone I have in front of me, and today I will show how you can see or find your photo and video recordings on this drone. So in the beginning, open the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app, and now simply look below shutter button or look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on this gallery icon. And as you can see, it is going to open your library. The first section of the library, as you can see, my drone is running out of battery, so it gets disconnected all the time, but that's fine. Anyway, in the library, you can see that all your recordings are being categorized. You can check all of the recordings you've created, only video, only photo, or the ones you have marked as favorite. And well, as simple as that, so should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.